If you've ever needed to pull data from multiple web pages without copying everything manually, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. Today I'm going to show you how to extract multiple web pages using the Google Chrome web scraper extension step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to install the extension, run a scrape, and download your results as a CSV or XLSX file. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. From there, hover over extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely install browser extensions. Once the store opens, use the search bar and type Web Scraper. Look for the extension named Web Scraper, free web scraping too. Make sure you choose the correct one so you're installing the right tool for the job. When you find it, click on it to open the extension page. Now click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension. After that, the extension will be added to your browser and ready to use. This only takes a few seconds, and once it's installed, you can start scraping data from supported websites. Next, open the website you want to scrape. This is the page that contains the information you want to extract. It could be a product listing page, a directory, a search results page, or any website with structured data that you need to collect. Now look near the web address bar at the top of your browser. Click the puzzle icon, which is the extensions menu. From the list of installed extensions, click Web Scraper. This opens the extension interface and begins the scraping process. At this point, the extension will take a couple of minutes to collect the data from the page or pages you selected. Depending on the website and how much data is being extracted, this may take a little longer, so just let it run and do its thing. The tool is designed to gather page data automatically, which is what makes it so useful for bulk extraction. Once the scraping process is complete, you'll be able to review the extracted information inside the extension. From there, you can download your results in CSV format or XLSX format. CSV is great if you want to open the file in spreadsheet tools or import it into other software, while XLSX is perfect if you want to work directly in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and that's it. You've now learned how to install the Web Scraper extension in Chrome, launch it on a website, and export your data into a file you can actually use. This can be a huge time saver if you regularly need to collect information from multiple web pages. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to scrape specific items like tables, product listings, or search results in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.